Ever found yourself staring blankly at your QuickBooks screen? A knot of frustration tightening in your stomach, wondering if you're speaking a different language than your accounting software? You're not alone. QuickBooks is a powerful tool, but let's be honest, sometimes it feels like navigating a maze blindfolded. The good news is there's a lifeline: QuickBooks support. But when exactly do you reach for that lifeline? That's what we're diving into today. Think of QuickBooks as the central nervous system of your business finances. When it's running smoothly, everything clicks. Invoices go out, payments come in, reports generate like magic, and you feel in control. But what happens when that system hiccups, stutters, or outright crashes? That's where knowing when to call support becomes crucial. Ignoring those warning signs can lead to a cascade of errors, costing you time, money, and a whole lot of unnecessary stress. So, let's explore some common scenarios that should have you reaching for that support number or initiating a chat session. First up, errors you can't troubleshoot yourself. We've all been there. A cryptic error message pops up. The online help articles seem written in ancient hieroglyphics, and after an hour of clicking and Googling, you're no closer to a solution. This is a prime time to call support. Don't waste precious hours chasing a ghost in the machine. QuickBooks support agents have seen it all and can often diagnose the issue and guide you through the fix quickly. This is especially true for errors related to data corruption, connectivity issues with bank feeds, or problems with specific features that aren't behaving as expected. Next, consider integration issues. QuickBooks often plays well with other business software: your point-of-sale system, your e-commerce platform, your payroll provider. But sometimes these integrations hit a snag. Data might not sync correctly, transactions might be duplicated or missing, or you might encounter authorization errors. Troubleshooting these integration problems can be complex, often requiring knowledge of both systems. QuickBooks support can help identify whether the issue lies within QuickBooks itself or if it's an external integration problem, saving you the headache of bouncing between different support teams. Then there's the dreaded payroll problems. Payroll is arguably one of the most sensitive areas of your business finances. Mistakes can lead to unhappy employees, penalties from tax authorities, and a whole lot of compliance headaches. If you're struggling to process payroll, calculate deductions, handle tax filings, or understand payroll-related error messages within QuickBooks, don't hesitate to contact support. They have specialized knowledge in this area and can ensure you're paying your team accurately and complying with all regulations. Another critical time to call support is when you're dealing with bank feed disconnects or reconciliation issues. Your bank feeds are designed to make your life easier by automatically importing transactions. But what happens when the feed stops working? Or when you're trying to reconcile your bank statements and find discrepancies you can't explain? These issues can throw your entire bookkeeping process into disarray. QuickBooks support can help troubleshoot connection problems, identify missing or duplicated transactions, and guide you through the reconciliation process to ensure your records are accurate. Before making significant changes is another often overlooked but crucial time to consider contacting support. Planning to upgrade your QuickBooks version, migrate your data, or make significant changes to your company file. It's wise to reach out to support beforehand. They can provide guidance on the best practices, potential pitfalls to avoid, and ensure a smooth transition. This proactive approach can save you from major headaches down the line. When you suspect data corruption or security issues, immediate action is paramount. If QuickBooks is behaving erratically, data is missing or incorrect, or you suspect unauthorized access to your account, don't delay in contacting support. Data corruption can lead to significant financial losses, and security breaches can have severe consequences for your business and your customers. QuickBooks support can help you assess the situation, recover data if possible, and implement security measures to protect your information. Finally, when you're simply lost and overwhelmed, let's face it, sometimes the sheer volume of features and settings in QuickBooks can be daunting. If you're new to the software, struggling to navigate its interface, or unsure how to perform a specific task, don't feel embarrassed to reach out to support. They are there to help you understand the software and use it effectively. Think of them as your QuickBooks guides, helping you unlock the full potential of the platform. Now, it's important to remember that while QuickBooks support is a valuable resource, There are things you can do to make the process smoother. Before you call, try to gather as much information as possible about the issue. Note down any error messages, the steps you were taking when the problem occurred, and any relevant details about your setup. This will help the support agent diagnose the issue more quickly. Also, be prepared to provide your account information and potentially grant remote access to your computer if necessary. Knowing when to call QuickBooks support can save you countless hours of frustration and ensure the accuracy of your financial records. Don't view it as a sign of failure, but rather as a smart business decision to leverage the resources available to you. By recognizing these key scenarios, you can confidently reach out for help when you need it most, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.